Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to see TikTok watch history and find the videos you are already watched. It is super easy. Watch till the end and do not forget like, share and subscribe for more TikTok tips. So first of all, you open the TikTok app and then here you can see the profile option. Here you can see profile option. So click on it, profile. After click it, here you can see the side three line option. So click on it. Then here you can see the settings and privacy option. So click on it. Then here you can see the activity center option. So click on it. After click it, here you can see the watch history option. Watch history too. So click on it. Then here you can see TikTok watch video history. So this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe for more TikTok tips.